Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can open and edit Word files on your iPhone. So let's begin the video. First of all, on your iPhone you're going to open the App Store and search for the Pages app. This app is officially provided by Apple and it is free to download and install. So download and install the Pages app. Once done, go back. Now you need to locate where the Word files are present on your iPhone. Mostly they are inside the Files application. If you see this, just click on the browse button and you can actually expand these different menus. So you need to find where your Word files are present on your iPhone storage. So in my case it's on my iPhone within the files folder, and if you have multiple files and if you don't see the file name extension, just click on these three dots on the top right, click on view options, scroll down and enable the option show all file name extensions. So in this way you know that which is a Word file or an Excel or some other file. So here I have this dev unplugged docs file. So once you have identified your file, you're going to go back and now we're going to open the Pages app. From here you're going to click on the browse button and you're going to locate wherever the file is present. In my case, you know, again it's in my iPhone within the files folder, and I'm going to open my docs or Word file. It will take a little moment depending on how large the Word file is. Once it has been opened, you can view the Word file, and if you want to edit it, click on the edit button. Now you can select any text, you can double tap on it, you can erase it, change its formatting, do anything and so on. And once you are satisfied with the changes, just click on the done button. And now if you want to save it as a Word file, again click on these three dots. From here we have the button export, click on it and we are going to click on Word. So you can also share it to different social media platforms from here, but if you want to save it to your files, just click on save to files, browse wherever you want to save the Word file within the files application, click on save. We're going to click on keep both, and now your Word file is present and saved in the files application. You can see we have dev unplugged 2.docs, which is the latest file, and by default it will save a .pages extension file as well. But yeah guys, in this way you can open and edit Word files on your iPhone.